Hey bestie, are you aware you can become a VA without having a laptop or a beautiful workspace? Now, I hear these questions. I even see some people ask these questions online, maybe under some advert for VA programs or some flyers they see for VA programs. They'll ask this question: can I become a VA with my phone? Can I offer these services with my phone? Can I acquire this skill with my phone? Today, I'll be answering these particular and most popular questions people that want to become VA ask. Now, a lot of people think that you becoming a VA, you need a very beautiful workspace and a laptop and all that. No, you don't need this. Today, I'm going to be telling you five VA services you can offer with your phone. You don't need a laptop. Yes, you can offer and make money out of it without a laptop. You can do these things with your phone. All you'll be focused on into is to get acquire the skill and give out quality deliveries or quality services out. Even if you have a phone, you can offer these services and get paid and get good reviews with just your phone. And maybe while you're working, and making money, you can now get yourself a good laptop, make yourself an amazing workspace so that the job will be smooth and easier. But you can start with a phone and then later you can upgrade. The first one on my list is research and data entry. Who does not do research? Right? Some of these CEOs or founders, they don't have time to do research. Some of them, they want to research on companies that need their services or company that can buy their services or can purchase their goods from them, or they want to generate leads. This is part of research. Or company they can collaborate with or do business with, they will need people to do this research, and this skill is skill that people are always looking for people to do for them. Yes, this niche you can do it with just your phone. You can generate leads, arrange them on your spreadsheet using that which is under data entry, using Google Sheets, yes, using Excel. All these things are tools and Google Work tools that you can download on your phone and do these services and make your money. The next one on my list is video editing. Even for me, I don't editing with my system is kind of stressful. I prefer to edit my videos with my phone. Yes, video editing is a tool that you can offer with your phone. A lot of people they have issues with editing with their system. They are so perfect editing with their phone. A lot of content creators are looking for people to do these jobs for them. Yes, because if you are able to record videos, editing the video takes a lot of time. Yes, I can tell you for free that editing video is one of the hardest things that any content creator is going to tell you that he or she is going through. To edit video is not a joke. People are out there looking for those that can help them reduce stress, reduce workload. Video editing is a skill that you can offer as a freelancer and make money. Yes, a lot of people they think, oh, this VA thing is just when you offer administrative tasks, when you offer executive services. No, no, when you do these things, it's not just this. You can actually offer other skills under virtual assistant and make money out of it. And this video editing, there are these tools you can use. You can use CapCut, you can use InShots, you can use UCut. There are so many tools you can use to edit videos just by using your phone, and then you will get amazing results. The next one on my list is customer service. Yes, you can offer customer service or customer support just with your phone. I tell you this. What do? You answer mails, you answer inquiries, you give client feedback on products, you rapport with clients, you make sure that the communication is going smooth and there's no issues. You deal with clients, you sympathize with clients, you make clients feel important. You can do all these things with your phone. And there is no company that will say they don't need customer service. It's not possible. A lot of companies are looking for customer service rep. Yes, they're looking for customer service rep because customer service is key. If you have poor customer service, no matter the kind of service you are giving out or the kind of goods you are selling, people will not buy. If your customer service is poor, your business is dead. That's just the truth. The next on my list is email and calendar management. That's a skill that you can offer smoothly with your phone. You don't need a laptop. You manage your email. You know how to respond to emails for them. You know how to clear their emails. You know how to archive those emails that don't need to be in front. You know those ones you set as urgent. You know those ones you set as later. You create their calendar, manage their calendar, book appointments for them with clients, make their day-to-day activity easy, arrange their day-to-day activity using calendar. These are things that people are looking for who's going to do it for them. Yes. These are things that people are looking for who's going to do it for them. The next one on my list is property management. You can manage property, you can be an Airbnb virtual assistant just with your phone. What you do is to manage clients, right? You talk to clients, you make sure that they are comfortable, you make sure that the property is in good condition, you communicate with the maintenance officer, you communicate with the owner of the property, you manage these things just from the comfort of your home. And if you're new to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like, and comment. My name is Alice. On this channel, I put out tips about freelancing, virtual assisting, remote work, living 9 to 5, and how to make money from the comfort of your home. If you are interested in all what you just heard and then you want to be a part of this amazing community, do well to turn your notification bell and subscribe to this channel. Whenever I post videos like this, you'll be the first to get notification for YouTube, and then you come and take advantage of the amazing content I'm putting out. Being a VA, you don't have to have only a laptop. You don't have to do too much. You don't have to have a very beautiful workspace. No, you don't have to have a very expensive headset. No, that's not it. You can actually make your money. You can actually offer these services just with your phone. I repeat, all you just have to do is acquire this skill, be dedicated, know what you're doing, and then put out good services. Make sure you deliver amazing jobs to clients. Make sure you deliver amazing jobs to clients. By so doing, you will get gigs upon gigs just with your phone, right? So if you're interested in becoming a VA and the problem you have is, I cannot do it with my phone, I don't have a laptop, come off it. Get up, learn this skill, and make this money. See you on my next video.